Hello everyone! Today let's crochet this hair tie. The blue color is really stunning. We are using Susan's family's mohair yarn and a 2.3mm crochet hook. We'll take one strand from the inside and one from the outside, and crochet with double strands held together. Make 3 chain stitches, which counts as the first stitch. Continue with 2 double crochets. One chain stitch. This forms one pattern group. Continue with 3 double crochets. 1 chain stitch. Second pattern group, then crochet. Third group, 3 double crochets, 1 chain stitch. Fourth group, we crochet 3 double crochets. 2 chain stitches. Keep repeating this pattern. Crochet 3 groups of 3 double crochets and 1 chain stitch. Then 1 group of 3 double crochets and 2 chain stitches. Second group. Third group. Fourth group, we crochet 3 double crochets, 2 chain stitches. The second side is done. There are 4 sides in total. Everyone, finish this round. 2 chain stitches and join with the slip stitch to the first stitch. Start with 3 chain stitches. We'll begin increasing at the chain to space. The 3 chains count as 1 stitch. Continue with 2 double crochets and 1 chain stitch. The pattern for our second round is, at the chain 1 space from the previous round, work 3 double crochets and 1 chain stitch. Keep repeating this pattern until reaching the chain to space. Arriving at the chain to space, we'll work 2 groups of pattern in this hole. Each group is 3 double crochets and 2 chains. Continue working 3 double crochets in this same hole. That's done. Finish the remaining part. Keep repeating this pattern until reaching your desired size. This completes the main part. I've worked a total of 6 rounds here. Now start working on the edging. Begin with a single crochet, 3 chain stitches, skip 1 stitch, then work a single crochet in the second stitch. 3 chain stitches, skip 1 stitch, then work a single crochet in the space. Alright, keep going and finish this round. For the second round, we'll work in the chain 3 space from the previous round. Make a single crochet. 5 chain stitches. Work a single crochet in the next space. Keep repeating this pattern. That's it. Our hair tie is done. The whole piece is very simple, made up of double crochets and chain stitches. Don't forget to post your work and tag me.